Hello friends and welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm so happy you've joined me today. Today I'll be sharing 10 simple yet powerful ideas that can make a real difference in your home. From stylish entryways and creative headboards to smart storage solutions and cozy ambience, these inspirations are all about small changes with big impact. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore how you can elevate your home with ease and charm. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home, and with just a few thoughtful touches, it can feel instantly inviting. A sleek console table, a mirror to reflect light, and a decorative rug create warmth and function, making the first step inside your home a delightful experience. Adding hooks for bags, baskets for shoes, or a small bench can elevate both style and practicality. These minor changes bring organization while also showcasing your personality. With little effort, your entryway transforms into a charming introduction that speaks volumes about the comfort and character waiting inside. Doors are often overlooked, yet they carry great potential to transform a space. A fresh coat of paint in a bold color can instantly revive a tired-looking door. Adding stylish trim, paneling, or even a simple wreath gives your entrance character while making everyday passages feel more intentional. Consider upgrading hardware like handles and hinges to achieve a polished look. Brass, matte black, or brushed nickel finishes bring modern elegance. With minimal investment, these small enhancements breathe new life into doors, making them functional works of art that quietly elevate your home's overall aesthetic. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, and the headboard can easily become its focal point. Instead of traditional designs, experiment with unique ideas like reclaimed wood, fabric panels, or painted murals. These creative touches highlight your individuality while adding comfort and visual interest to your sleeping space. Headboards don't need to be expensive. A DIY approach works wonders. Old shutters, vintage doors, or woven textiles can be transformed into stunning backdrops. By focusing on this one element, your bedroom gains personality and coziness, proving that a single inspired upgrade can redefine the feel of the room. A kitchen backsplash can dramatically alter the mood of the space without a full renovation. Whether it's classic subway tile, colorful mosaic, or peel and stick options, this detail creates visual depth. Beyond aesthetics, backsplashes serve a functional role, protecting walls while infusing your kitchen with texture and vibrancy. Don't be afraid to play with patterns and colors that reflect your personality. Even a modest section behind the stove or sink can make a bold statement. The right backsplash becomes both an eye-catching design feature and a conversation starter, proving how small changes create substantial impact. Every home has unused corners that often go unnoticed. By personalizing these spaces, you create cozy nooks that reflect your style. A small reading chair, a plant stand, or a gallery wall instantly transforms overlooked areas into intentional spots that add warmth and creativity to your home. These corners can also showcase meaningful items such as family photos, collected books, or travel mementos. Personal touches ensure your home tells your unique story. Instead of wasted space, these intimate corners become highlights that remind you and your guests of cherished memories and thoughtful design choices. Storage doesn't have to be hidden away. It can be smart, stylish, and part of your home's design. Think of built-in shelves, underbed drawers, or furniture that doubles as storage. These solutions help maximize every inch of space while keeping your home feeling organized and clutter-free. The beauty of smart storage lies in its subtlety and efficiency. Baskets, labeled bins, or hidden compartments provide practicality without sacrificing charm. When designed thoughtfully, storage blends seamlessly into your decor, making life easier while also elevating the aesthetics of your living space. Small tweaks can truly transform function and style together. Open shelving offers both practicality and style, giving you a chance to display curated collections while keeping essentials within reach. In kitchens, living rooms, or bathrooms, open shelves reduce visual bulk and create a lighter, airier atmosphere compared to traditional closed cabinets or bulky furniture pieces. To maintain harmony, style your shelves with a mix of functional items and decorative accents. Books, plants, ceramics, and glassware work beautifully when arranged thoughtfully. Open shelving not only maximizes space but also invites creativity, turning everyday storage into a showcase of taste and personality. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in home design. A striking pendant, chandelier, or floor lamp can anchor a room, instantly shifting its mood. Statement lighting adds drama and sophistication, proving that a single bold choice can completely redefine your space's atmosphere. Beyond style, consider layering different types of lighting for function and comfort. Combine overhead fixtures with table lamps, wall sconces, or candles. This mix allows flexibility while highlighting textures and features. With thoughtful selection, lighting becomes more than utility. It becomes an expressive element that elevates your home. Home design is not only visual, it's also about how a space feels. Scent plays a powerful role in shaping atmosphere. Candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers can transform rooms by adding warmth, relaxation, or energy. A signature fragrance creates comfort and makes your home more memorable. Pair scents with ambient touches like soft music or warm lighting to enhance the mood. Lavender for calm, citrus for freshness, or woodsy notes for coziness. Each scent evokes a distinct feeling. These subtle additions create an inviting environment that engages all senses, completing your home's transformation. Small details often make the biggest difference. Swapping outdated hardware like drawer pulls, cabinet knobs, and faucets is an affordable upgrade with noticeable results. Choose finishes that complement your style, whether vintage, modern, or eclectic, to add elegance and cohesion throughout your home. This simple change refreshes kitchens, bathrooms, or furniture instantly without requiring major renovation. Updated hardware is like jewelry for your home. It polishes the look, highlights your design choices, and provides tactile pleasure every time you interact with it. Such small adjustments deliver surprisingly big impact. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these small changes sparked ideas for refreshing your own home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Vintage Nook for more cozy inspiration, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. See you next time.